Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let us discuss how to use where clause in a SQL to filter the records. Well, the where clause is used to filter the records in a SQL. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill the specific condition. The where clause can be used with select, update and delete statements. And we will also see how to use where clause with the comparison operators and logical operators as well. Okay, so here let's go to the MySQL Workbench. And in previous lecture we have created these SQL queries, so let us copy them and let us take the backup in the notepad, and then just remove all these SQL statements and let us start with a fresh. So let us drop the existing table, drop table employees, refresh the schemas. Next, here let me create a employees table with ID, first name, last name, email, salary, department columns, and this is the insert into statement to add a couple of sample records to the employees table. Okay, and notice here the department IT, HR, sales. So different employees are belongs to different department. Okay, next let us execute these SQL statement. So select them and click on this button to execute these SQL statements. Next, in order to verify, just type the command select star from employees. Select this particular SQL statement and just execute it. And here you can see the result set. There are total 6 records in an employees table. Okay, and you can see the department. So IT department, HR department and sales department. Okay. Next, let us go ahead and let us see how to use where clause with different statements like where clause with select statement, where clause with update statement and where clause with delete statement. So let us begin with how to use where clause with select statement. So here just type select star from employees. Next, let us add a where clause to this select statement, where department equal to IT. Now we have written a SQL statement to retrieve all the employees who are belongs to a department IT, and here we use the where clause to add the condition. So where clause we basically use to filter the records based on the condition. Okay, next let us go ahead and let us see how to use where clause with the update statement. So here just type update statement, update followed by the name of the table that we want to update, that is employees, and then set keyword followed by the column that we want to update. For example, let us say the Ramesh employee has an email ramesh@gmail.com. Now we want to update the email from ramesh@gmail.com to ramesh.fadhare@gmail.com. Okay, so here let us specify the column name that we want to update, email, and then within a double quote let us specify the new email, that is ramesh.fadhare@gmail.com. Next, let us add a where clause to add the condition where ID equal to 1. So notice here Ramesh employee has ID 1. So this ID we have given in the where clause. So this where clause we are using to filter the employee with ID 1. Okay, next let us select this update statement and just execute it. And in order to see the output, just execute this select star from employees statement. And here in a result set you can notice the employee, Ramesh employee email ID. Earlier the email was ramesh@gmail.com, now updated into ramesh.fadhare@gmail.com. So this is how we can use update statement along with a where clause to update the specific row. Okay, next let us see how to use a where clause with a delete statement. So here delete from followed by the name of the table from which we want to delete the data, in our case employees, and then let us add a where clause and then ID equal to 2. So this is the SQL statement to delete a particular employee with ID 2, and here we use the where clause to specify the condition like filter the employee whose ID is 2, and just delete it by using this delete statement. Next, let us select this delete statement and click on execute button, and in order to verify the output, just execute this select star from employee statement, and here you can see the employee with ID 2 is successfully deleted from the table. Now we have seen how to use where clause with select statement, update statement and delete statement. Next, let us go ahead and let us see how to use a where clause with the comparison operators. The comparison operators like equals, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, so here let us add the select statement, select star from employees, and then where department equal to sales. Well, notice here we are using comparison operator equals. So this equal operator we are using to assign a value to the column in a where clause. Next, let us select this statement and just execute it. And notice here this select statement basically retrieved the employee data whose department is sales. Okay, so this is how we can use comparison operator equals in a where clause. Next, let us see how to use not equal comparison operator in a where clause. So just copy this SQL statement and just paste it over here, and here just change the comparison operator from equal to not equal. So this will basically retrieve all the employees that are not belong to sales department. Just select this SQL statement and execute it, and notice here the result. So this select statement basically retrieved all the employees who are not belong to sales department but belong to other departments. Okay, next let us see how to use greater than comparison operator. So here just type the statement select star from employees, and then where salary greater than 20,000. So here we have used the comparison operator greater than. So this basically statement retrieve all the employees whose salary is greater than 20,000. Okay, just select this statement and execute it, and here you can see Ramesh employee has a salary greater than 20,000. You can notice the salary over here. Ramesh has the salary 25,000. Next, let us see how to use less than comparison operator in a where clause. So just copy this select statement and just paste it over here, and just change the comparison operator from greater than to less than. So this SQL statement basically retrieve all the employees whose salary is less than 20,000. So just select it and execute it, and here you can see Sita and Priya. So these employees has a salary less than 20,000. Next, let us see how to use greater than equal to comparison operator. So just copy this select statement and just paste it over here, and here just change this operator to greater than equal to. So this SQL statement basically retrieve all the employees whose salary is greater than equal to 20,000. So just select this query and execute it, and here you can see the result. All the employees whose salary is greater than equal to 20,000. Okay. Next, let us see how to use less than equal to comparison operator with where clause. So just copy this SQL statement and just paste it over here, and just change the operator to less than equals to 20,000. So this SQL statement basically retrieve all the employees whose salary is less than equal to 20,000. So just select it and execute it, and here you can see the result. So there are 4 employees whose salary is less than 20,000. You can see the salary column values. Okay, so this is how we use comparison operators with where clause. Next, let us go ahead and let us see how to use a where clause with the logical operators. Well, there are 3 logical operators: and, or, not. So let us see how to use where clause with all these logical operators. So let us begin with using where clause with and operator. So here just type the command select star from employees where department equal to IT. Next, we use a logical AND operator to add 2 or more conditions. So here we have added one condition. Next, in order to add one more condition, we use AND operator. And next, salary greater than 20,000. Well, the AND operator requires both conditions should be true for the records to be included in the results. In this case, it checks that the employee's department is IT and employee salary is greater than 20,000. So only employees who meet both the conditions will appear in the result. Okay. Next, let us select this SQL statement and execute it. And here you can see the output. So this Ramesh employee belongs to department and whose salary is greater than 20,000. So this is how we can use logical AND operator to add multiple conditions. And in case of logical AND operator, both the conditions should be true in order to add a record to the result set. Okay. So similarly, let us go ahead and let us see how to use where clause with the OR operator. So here let me copy this SQL statement and let me paste it over here, and here just change the where clause, where department equal to IT or department equal to HR. So here basically we are going to retrieve all the employees who are belongs to either department, IT or HR. Well, here the logical OR operator returns the records if at least one of the conditions is true. In this case, it checks if the employee's department is either IT or HR. Okay. If an employee is either the IT department or the HR, they will appear in the result even if only one condition is true. Next, let us select this statement and just execute it. And here you can see the result. So there are 4 employees who are belongs to department either IT or HR. Next, let us see how to use where clause with not logical operator. So here let me just copy this select statement and just paste it over here, and let us change accordingly. Select star from employees where department equal to IT, and here let us specify the not logical operator where not department equal to IT, or let us give different department name like sales. So in this case, it selects all the employees whose department is not sales. Okay. So this logical not operator is used to exclude records that match a specific condition. Okay. Next, let us select this SQL statement and just execute it, and notice here the output. So all these employees are belongs to department IT and HR. If I specify the department IT, then this select statement will retrieve all the employees who are belongs to the other departments like HR and sales. It won't retrieve the employees from the department IT. For example, if I run the select statement, and here you can see it basically excluded all the employees who are belongs to department IT. So this is how we can use logical not operator to reverse the condition. Okay, great. So this is all about using where clause. So let me recap what we have done in this lecture. We have seen how to use a where clause with select statement, how to use a where clause with update statement, how to use a where clause with delete statement, and we have seen how to use a where clause with a comparison operators like equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and we have also seen how to use where clause with the logical operators like AND, OR and NOT. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.